Hello! Welcome to our tutorial video. Our topic for this tutorial video is all about zeros, intercepts, and asymptotes of exponential functions.
Let's begin by defining them and then how to find them.
Zeros. The zero of an exponential function refers to the value of the independent variable x that makes the function equal to 0. In a graph, it is the x-coordinate of the point intersecting the x-axis. To find the zeros of equation, equate the function to 0 and solve for the value of x. I'll give you an example. Here in this example, f of x equals 3 raised to 4x minus 3 minus 1. The first thing we need to do is equate the function to 0. And after that, move negative 1 on the right side, then make the bases the same. Express the 1 as 3 raised to 0, and let's ignore the bases and then bring down all of their exponents. After you bring them down, move negative 3 on the right side and divide both sides by 4 and cancel out the 4 over 4. And you got the answer, x equals 3 over 4.
Intercept. An intercept of a rational function is a point where the graph of the rational function intersects the x-axis or the y-axis. The x-intercept of a function is the x-coordinate of the point where the function crosses the x-axis. To find the x-axis, y is equal to 0 and to solve for x. The y-intercept of a function is the y-coordinate of the point where the function crosses y-axis. To find the y-intercept, set is equal to 0 and solve for y. I will give you some examples. For the first example, f of x is equal to 5 raised to x minus 125. Let us find the y and x intercept. Let us start with the x intercept. So in this, set y is equal to 0 but we don't have y. So we will replace the f of x with y. And it will be 5 raised to x is equal to minus 125, and then set the y equal to 0. To solve for the x, we need to move negative 125 to the left. It will be positive 125 is equal to 5 raised to x. After that, make the bases same. Put the bases and then bring all the exponents down. Got the answer, x is equal to 3. Therefore, our x-intercept is 3 and 0. Therefore, 3 is equal to x and y is 0. Y-intercept, set s is equal to 0. But first, replace f of x with y. And then set the x equal to 0. So it will be y equal to 5 raised to 0 minus 125. Solve for y. So it will be y is equal to 1 minus 125. Now subtract 1 from 125 and the answer will be negative 124. So now our y is equal to negative 124. So therefore our y-intercept is 0 and negative 124. Since our x is equal to 0 and our y is equal to negative 124.
Asymptote. A line or a curve that the graph of a function gets close to but does not touch. An asymptote is an imaginary line to which a graph gets closer and closer as the x or the y increases or decreases its value without limit. So I'll give an example to you to understand. Using this formula, we'll be able to know if there is a horizontal asymptote in the given example. For the first example, y equals 3 raised to x negative 3 plus 2. The d in the first example is 2. So, therefore, the horizontal asymptote is 2.